Okay, so we're doing an abbreviated install video today on this 2024 Toyota Tacoma, and we're going to show you a couple different steps here. A lot of things are very similar on the older Tacomas, but we're going to start with this console lid cover right here. You can see this console lifts up, and there's two Velcro straps underneath it that help hold it on, and an elastic around the sides. And you're going to see this is the front side right here. And then the back hooks around like this. It has these side flaps right here. Okay, so that's going to be the back side right there. Here's these Velcro straps again. So fit that on right there. Should finish out just like that. Looks good. Again, this is the True Timber Urban, Viper Urban. That just looks great inside here with the charcoal soft touch for the insert. It's a killer combo. This truck has a lot of blacks in it, so you'll see that goes really nice there. So next step I want to show you is the driver bottom, because that would be the very next step that you'd want to do after you do your console. So the driver bottom is going to fit on top. You're just going to pull it over right here. There's going to be a drawstring on the outside, and that drawstring, that actually needs to tuck right here in between the seat cushion and this plastic. And you're going to drop that down, and then it's going to pop down underneath right here on the inside there. You're going to grab that, and it's going to tie to the other drawstring that goes around the outside right here. And that drawstring is going right here, and there's a drawstring that goes straight down and then straight across right there. So it actually doesn't hook around the seat belt right there. It just goes underneath the seat in that angle right there, and it's going to go across over there to this other drawstring, and they tie up underneath the seat right there. Now, once you have that down, the other piece is that you're going to push this back right here, and this piece right here has a Velcro on the top side of this section, and that Velcro actually connects to a felt on this backrest. So that's why it's important to do the driver bottom first. So do this driver bottom first. The other piece that you're going to see here is this is the strap and buckle. So here's the buckle right here on the front side. This strap comes from the back, and you're going to bring it up to the front right here. You're going to go through that middle slot first right there, and then through the outside slot like that right there. Okay, and that's how you always do these straps and buckles. And you're going to cinch that down nice and tight. Take your hand underneath right here, pull it underneath the seat nice and tight. You can see this is where that drawstring goes through the seat cover right here. When you pull that drawstring nice and tight, it hugs this bottom of the seat right there. You can see we have our MOLLE gun pocket sewn on as well right here. Looking good for you, the gear. Put your pistol inside there as well. Now this will trim out right here inside this plastic section right there. There's going to be an install tool, a little plastic, kind of a butter knife looking type tool that you take and push that material in right there.